Imagine waking up in a world can think, learn, and even help solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Welcome to the age of artificial intelligence. Whether you're unlocking your phone with your face or asking a virtual assistant a question, you're already using AI every day. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? And why is it changing the world so quickly? Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that enables machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier, improving diagnosis and saving lives. In education, AI creates personalized learning experiences that adapt to every student's pace and needs. Factories around the world use AI-powered robots to improve crew quality, safety, and production speed. Self-driving vehicles use AI to recognize roads, predict traffic, and avoid accidents. Behind every intelligent system is data. AI learns patterns from enormous amounts of information. To understand modern AI, we first need to explore its three most important branches: machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. Every AI system starts with one essential ingredient: data. The more high-quality data it learns from, the better it becomes. Machine learning allows computers to recognize patterns and improve automatically through experience, instead of traditional programming. Deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning, inspired by the structure of the human brain. By analyzing millions of examples, AI learns to recognize images, objects, and even human faces with remarkable accuracy. Training modern AI requires enormous computing power, running on thousands of specialized processors. Large language models understand and generate human language, making conversations with AI feel surprisingly natural. Generative AI can create articles, images, music, videos, and even software code in just seconds. Today, billions of people rely on AI for communication, entertainment, navigation, shopping, and work. AI is designed to assist people, automate repetitive work, and help humans make better decisions faster. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's already transforming the way we live, work, learn, and innovate. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier, personalize treatments, and improve patient care. Banks and financial use AI to detect fraud, analyze investments, and deliver faster customer service.
In classrooms, AI helps students learn faster. Lessons are tailored to each individual's needs.
Transportation is becoming safer and more efficient, as AI helps vehicles understand roads and avoid collisions. AI also protects businesses by identifying cyber threats before they can cause serious damage.
As AI becomes more powerful, it is important to develop it responsibly while protecting privacy, fairness, and human values. The future of AI depends on how people use it to solve problems, improve lives, and create new opportunities.
Artificial intelligence is already transforming healthcare, education, business, science, and everyday life around the world. Whether you're a student, developer, entrepreneur, or simply curious, learning AI today will help you prepare for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more easy-to-understand AI content, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.